Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all. Yeah. Today I'm here, Tally, you all would be knowing the synonym of accounting and inventory management, but the agenda for today is what we are doing to manage supply chain visibility. In fact, specifically the stock and sale. If you take any principal company today, if you wanted to have the visibility of the stock and sale information down the ecosystem, be it at the distributor level or at the dealer level and downwards. So what we are doing at there? So how we can give that visibility in a better way is something which I would be taking you through. Today, if you look at any company, any principal company where it has got their channel, so the kind of issues which is being faced at different levels is, what is the kind of information that is required in terms of stock and sale visibility could be for their production planning purposes, or could be for their various other analytics, could say, suppose which product is doing better in which particular region and things like that. It becomes so crucial to have this information handy. So for which it is also important to look at, what is the kind of availability which is there at different levels, because the availability of the product is so crucial that the companies would get into lost sales situations and things like that. So it becomes very important for any company to have this information. In order to have this information handy, there are various methods which is being used. Means to say, the companies have gone forward in providing some applications for their channel, and few of the companies have provided some portals where each of their the dealers provide this information on a periodic basis. They update the systems, and then yes, some companies went ahead and providing asking companies, marketing companies to do a survey and provide the information related to market share or how the movement of goods is happening down the chain. So there are various issues in these approaches. In fact, what happens is, in terms of bespoke applications, typically what we have found at most of the places is, yes, where we come from Tally, is that Tally is the software which is prominently being used at these SME. Our presence, Tally's presence is more in the SME sector. If you look at any distributor or a dealer, Tally is always there. It is this principal application which is being used at his end. But what happens is, every company comes forward and gives their own systems. It becomes very difficult, especially in an environment where there is a multi-brand. So every company gives their own systems, and it will be very difficult for them to operate on different softwares. But again, they'll be having Tally for their own operations. So we had come across our customers who come forward and ask the kind of integration between the principal systems and their own system Tally, so that to reduce the redundancy of work, repeated work, what they do in multiple systems. So when we got into little detail, in depth, and we looked into it, there we found, say, why should we do this? We can go to the companies and say that, okay, we will give you this information, what is required for you, from the software which is already there. You don't need to give a software for, a new software there. So in few of the cases where what we have found is, few companies have gone ahead giving Tally itself for their distribution chain. There are 2-3 companies who have given Tally itself. So we found one distributor coming up and saying, in one of the forums, saying that he has got 4 Tally licenses with him. As a company, more licenses is good for me, but then it is not useful. End of the day, it is not bringing any value there. There's no point in selling multiple licenses for the same person where only one license was required. So looking at all these factors, we have come up with this solution where we give this visibility. Let's say use the existing infrastructure as is, so that will make your life easy, so that rather than giving multiple systems and going forward. So addressing these issues, what we proposed was, leverage on the existing technologies. That means, when you look at any distributor or dealer level, there are some systems which is running. How can you leverage these systems and get the same information from that, so that it is going to reduce the cost of deployment, The learning, you don't need to do a retraining, or you don't need to have multiple skill sets to use multiple systems at this level. So this is where we are focused, and a couple of places where we have integrated with other tools so that the information is complete. So if I take one case study, and in fact, one of the case study where a company called AOCD Pharma Softtech, they've been working on the similar lines with a pharma distributor, pharma distribution segment, basically. If you look at the kind of the top line, the ROI on providing such a solution, it is humongous. If you look at the kind of benefit for a 2,000 crore company, with various aspects of it, there's approximately an 8% increase in the top line, because it reduces the time and the effort which is required for a salesman to spend his time to collect this data, and the cost which goes into cost and time which goes into doing these activities. In fact, all this can be cut down completely and just go with the existing infrastructure. That's what we mean to say here. So similarly, on the same lines, if you look at Tally, what we do, we have a same Tally which is being used by the distributor, he continues to use the same way. All we do is we just implement a small patch file there, which is going to integrate and provide the visibility to the principal organization. Let us say we provide a tool, a consolidation engine at the principal company end, which is going to collect the information from the existing infrastructure as is. So the distributor continues, the channel partner continues to use the software the way he is using. In fact, one major challenge, one big challenge which would come up is, we are just using the existing infrastructure. You might have a question that, yes, each one will be using. Let us take one example of SKUs. Let us say if there are 4 distributors, 4 of them will be using in 4 different ways. The principal company might call the same SKU with their own SKU code, but 4 different distributors who is already using the system might be using in their own conventional ways. In fact, the naming convention could be to the comfort of their operations. So we have mapping tools, auto mapping tools, where we just map the principal's SKU with the SKU the way they have named it locally. So he continues, he doesn't even need to change the way he is operating, or change the, get used to the SKU codification or anything which the principal company is enforcing. So this is something which we bring into the table, and we make the distributor not to do any changes, he just continues to use as is. So this is something which we have been doing for every principal company in the industry. Be it Tally being a generic application, a generic software, it is being used by various segments of the industry. It is, we are in cement, steel, white goods, even in food products, various companies, every company, because here what we are talking about is just stock and sale visibility. What happens is the sales information is uploaded to the central application, and you have the visibility. You have some analytical reports which you can analyze and look at how your product is moving, what is the stock which is lying in the market at different levels. So this infrastructure is very cost effective. You don't need to have any additional licenses. We are just using the existing infrastructure as is. So going forward, what we are proposing to the companies is that you incentivize, means to say that we come in as a platform. Today we are just providing a solution, a kind of a consolidation engine. Tomorrow it could be a kind of a cloud service from Tally or Tally ecosystem, where you can pay and use, means to say that you can subscribe for it and you can collect the information from your channel. So this is something which we are looking at going forward. So if you look at the last mile, yes, we have provided all that what is required to provide all the tools that is required for any last mile to engage with the customers. Like for example, a distributor personnel, when they are going on the field to collect orders, yes, we have technology partners we have channel partners who have integrated their mobile devices with Tally, where you can collect orders on the mobile gadgets, and then you can integrate with Tally. So it means the order can be collected on the mobile phone, and the same thing can be automatically transferred to real time. Means to say real time it can integrate or synchronize with Tally application. So at the distributor end, on the field, we have these tools which is integrated, which becomes handy for the distributor to adopt, basically. So these additional values which we are bringing to the table in terms of, again, the POS needs where we integrate the payment systems and things like that. So these things will make easier for anybody to adopt Tally and move forward. So another thing what we say is that, yes, usage of Tally is largely there, but another question which comes up is what happens to the remaining? See, any company, when it is giving its software, it can give it to all 100% people. But when I go with a statement saying that, yes, I'll give you the visibility to the extent of Tally, which is already used in your ecosystem, what happens to the rest of the people who are not using Tally or was on the other systems? Yes, we do provide integration with other applications which is running so that the information is complete. And also we say that, yes, we show value. We will go, it's our duty, it's our responsibility to go to the others and show value and position Tally there. So that you don't need to worry about selling or pushing licenses. What happens when we push something to the channel, it becomes by force and it doesn't stick on for a longer time. But if he sees value and if he starts using the system, it becomes more effective. So that is the way, that is the approach which we are taking, and that is where we are as of today. So what we say is, yes, we collaborate and we can work together. So any questions to take?